and countries use the US dollar to trade with one another. But it seems like now countries are finding a way to go past the US dollar. For example, Kenya just signed deals with Saudi Arabia and the UAE to buy oil with its local currency, which is the Kenyan shillings, instead of the United States dollars. And also Ghana is using gold to buy oil, and that is going to also impact the US dollar. And the recent news has been Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa talking about the plan they have to develop a new currency. Brazil and China have struck a deal to bypass the US dollar when paying for trade goods, which is a significant milestone in Beijing's long-term goal to establish the yuan as the dominant international currency. So this is going to help the countries trade without really stressing about how they're going to get the US dollar or losing money and the cost going up. It is going to be beneficial to them, and that is why they're planning to have their own currency, which a lot of people surprisingly are very happy about, because it means that their dependency on the US dollar is not going to be as much, which, we've seen the impact the US dollar has against shillings or Ethiopian birr or naira. So this new way of trading might actually be helpful to those countries that are trying to step away from the US dollar.
Those in Kenya who were facing challenges of access to dollars, that we have taken steps to ensure that dollar availability in the next couple of weeks is going to be very different, because our fuel companies will now be paying for fuel in Kenya shillings. They do not have to look for dollars every month, because we have done what we must do as government to ensure that we ease the burden on people who want to realize their returns in dollars. And I was being told by the chairman of NSC, so Mr. Chairman, you have nothing to worry about.